Welcome to City Block Marton Street, Lancaster, where an extraordinary student living experience awaits you. This vibrant property features a range of stylish private studios and en-suite rooms, catering to every lifestyle. Each space is designed with comfort in mind, featuring cozy beds, dedicated study areas, and ample storage for all your essentials. Enjoy a host of fantastic amenities that make life easier. Weekly room cleaning keeps your space fresh, while high-speed Wi-Fi ensures you're always connected. Relax in furnished communal areas, tackle laundry with on-site facilities, and benefit from the convenience of a parcel service. The location couldn't be better. Just close to University of Cumbria and Lancaster University, your morning commute will be a breeze. Surrounded by a plethora of trendy restaurants like Brew and vibrant eateries such as the Whale Tail, your dining options are endless. For everyday needs, Sainsbury's Local is right around the corner and public transport is easily accessible to make commuting a breeze. Ready to embark on your exciting journey at City Block Marton Street? Don't miss out. Secure your room today at amberstudent.com and step into an unforgettable chapter in Lancaster.